it's Lucy and welcome back to the channel. Don't mean to spook you out here, but today I will be doing this vampy makeup. I love being a vampire. I've always been obsessed with vampires. I talk about it in as many opportunities as I can, but basically Vampire Diaries is one of my favorite TV shows. I love Twilight, I love all things vampire. So practically every year I do this makeup with just like a slightly different version. If you want to get inspo for some easy Halloween makeup, just keep on watching. Before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow my Instagram. So let's start by applying face makeup. So I do want my face to be extra matte. So first of all, I'm going to apply the Wet n Wild matte face primer. And then for foundation, let's see, I have the LA Girl and the e.l.f. one. This one says it's a flawless satin foundation, and the LA Girl one, it says it's a high definition long wear matte foundation, so I'm gonna go with this one. I recently got it and it's pretty good. This is in the shade Ivory, so I'm gonna apply these. Before I apply my makeup, can I just show you guys this super cute mug? So this is a mug that I got from TJ Maxx. I got it in like this 2 set, super cute. So I probably don't have a chance to post like other Halloween videos after this, so I just wanted to show you guys this mug cup. I'm done with my foundation and my face is nice and matte. So next I want to apply some concealer and cream contour. So as usual, I'll be using my Wet n Wild Megalast Incognito concealer. Unfortunately, this is the lightest color that I have. I wanted a more like pure white color. This is in the shade Fair Beige. And then I'm going to cream contour my face because I really want to make my facial features really defined. I applied some concealer and contoured up my face. Next I want to set my face using some face powder. So this is facial powder in a pure white color. This is Japanese 100 yen store powder. It's really good. It's a pure white. So I'm gonna apply this on my face. My face is nice and mattified. I'm not going to do any highlighter today because I want to keep my face nice and matte. So I think I'm just going to leave the contour as this. So next we're going to move on to the eyes, and I'm going to start by drawing my eyebrows using the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe. So this has been my go-to eyebrow pencil for the past year. I've been through so many of them, so we're going to use this. And I want to make my eyebrows extra sharp and thin and fleeky, so hopefully it will work out. If the eyebrows go a little out of shape, I would just take the concealer I used earlier to clean them up. My eyebrows are pretty thick right now, so I didn't get like the thin Catherine Pierce eyebrows, but here are my eyebrows, and next we're gonna move on to eye makeup. One palette I straight away grabbed for when I thought of like vampire makeup, and that is the Colourpop All That eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love this palette. I've used it for like the past couple of Halloweens. It was actually a Valentine collection, I think, 2 or 3 years back, and it's like this. It has like pure white matte shade and lots of gorgeous red shades. So I think I'm probably going to use this white shade, but unfortunately they don't have like a purpley shade, which I was looking for. So I also grabbed this palette. This is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe OG palette. This has so much variation inside of it. I've hardly used it though, so I really need to use it more often. I wanted like a really like matte purple shade to apply my crease. Unfortunately, I didn't have it. So let's see. I think I'm just going to try and apply Soda Pop. Can you see? It's like this purpley brown shade. So I'm just gonna try and apply this Soda Pop shade into my crease. Probably gonna blend it out with Cha Cha. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do. So I finished applying the eyeshadow in the crease. It looks like this, and I will probably pack some more of the dark color on after I applied my Centerlid shade. So for the Centerlid shade, instead of doing a shimmer, I want like a matte white, and this is a perfect color for it. So I'm going to use Uncuffed from the All That eyeshadow palette and just apply it in the lid, and then I'll probably reapply Soda Pop from the Jaclyn Hill palette onto the outer corners. Okay, so I finished applying the eyeshadow, and this is what it looks like, and I'm so tempted to do some black eyeliner, but I think I'm just gonna leave it at that because I'm probably gonna draw some vampy veins later on. So I'm just gonna apply some Wet n Wild mascara. I finished applying my mascara and I completely forgot to do my under eye. So basically I just applied the Soda Pop shade all under my lash line just to make it cohesive, and that is it for my eyeshadow. Next we will move on to lips. I do have like so many Colourpop grungy shade lipsticks which I used back in the day. I actually introduced them, I think last week, I think it was, in my like OG throwback makeup Halloween chit chat get ready with me video. Wow, that was a mouthful. So yeah, if you want to see those lipsticks, you can see last week's video for that. But seeing as it's Halloween, I got this to use for Halloween. I'm going to use one of the liquid lipsticks from the Ucanbe matte lip color set. So I did film like a try-on video of me trying all 6 of them. I think it was 2 weeks ago. I'll link the video down below. The very last shade, number 6, was like this perfect like vampy purple shade. So I'll apply this. Before doing so, I'll use the primer, line, and then apply the lip. next comes the fun part because I'm going to draw some veins. Obviously it's not going to be 3D like, so I'm just going to use eyeshadow. Let's see the colors that we have. I just looked at a few Vampire Diary faces for inspo, so I'll pop them up here. Oh my god, I think it's time to rewatch Vampire Diaries again. So I think I'm just going to use Wink Wink and Silhouette as some veins. I'm really just going to apply it roughly and let's see how it turns out. Here we are with my vampy face. So I added veins and then I decided to add some red lip liner so it looks like I've just had a bite to eat. So this is my vampire makeup. I'm so sorry I don't have like a leather jacket or something. As you could see, it was super easy. Really simple. Anyone can do it, so yeah. And if you are not scared of applying contact lenses like I am, you can put in some red contact lenses, put in some fangs, and you're good to go. So this is my vampy makeup. I practically do this makeup but like a slightly different version every year, but it's pretty much the same. You know, you just draw some veins and blood and wear black. Halloween is coming soon and hopefully we will get to celebrate. If so, I'll probably try and film a vlog or something. We really don't have any plans at the moment because we're in the middle of trying to find a new place to move into. So that concludes the end to my 2 parts of like autumn Halloween video series. Don't forget to subscribe because I've been super active on YouTube, and of course go check out my Instagram. We're so close to 500 followers, so I would really appreciate it if you could go give it a follow, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys! And also let me know if you want to see any Vampire Diary themed videos. I would be more than happy to film them. Okay, bye guys!